Since FOTON Daimler joint venture is established in 2012, we have been focusing on intelligent, safe, efficient truck strategy for 8 years. Driven by the power of our automotive inventor, we built a leading intelligent manufacturing system, devoting into R&D and the innovation of urban truck and satisfy global customers with effective TCO.
My name is Ali Emre Yavuz. I am Director of Quality Assurance, FOTON Daimler Automotive. Since FOTON Daimler joint venture established in 2012, we have been focusing on high quality, intelligent and safe truck manufacturing for more than 8 years. Supported by the truck inventor, we are targeting top 3 in China, heavy duty market with high total cost of ownership. With our transformation, we will reach our target of high efficiency in short time.
My name is Michael Conrad and I'm the Director of the Feed Quality Team. Since FOTON and Daimler joint venture is established in 2012, which we are celebrating now, we want to tell you, we work together, we win together.
We work together, we win together.
We work together, we win together. August 28th, FOTON Motor, happy birthday.
August 28th, FOTON Motor, happy birthday.
August 28th, FOTON Motor, happy birthday.